over into the other direction and look around. And if you see something, just let us know.
I can see a notebook full of folder.
A notebook full of poetry.
P.H.D. folder.
All right.
P.H.D. folder.
And how large is that notebook?
Not so big. Medium book.
All right, just stay down where you are right now. Are you comfortable at that point in the water? How has that man been treating you? Has he been helpful to you?
Only for the drink.
Yes, that's okay. But once you got into the water, you were more helpful to yourself. Is that right? Or what would you say?
Maybe.
All right.
Light water.
Do you feel that you would like to go down deeper into the water, or are you happy where you are?
No, I like to discover other things.
Okay, you would like to go for other things. Now, if you're going to go for other things, I'm going to suggest that an underwater boat is going to make its appearance, like a submarine, or like a bathysphere, which is a round piece of metal that can float around the water. Or you can invent something of your own to come along. When you see something that you can climb into, nod your head so I know it will arrive. Some underwater craft. All right? Get inside, and you decide if you want the man to come inside with you. He can stay where he is, he will be happy there, or he can come inside and join you, whichever you prefer. And let us know what you decided to do.
I want to see that if you can with me.
All right, the both of you are in this underwater craft. And now you can move very quickly any place in the water that you want to go. You can go any place under the water that you prefer, and you can see anything that you want to see that exists under the water. I'm going to remain silent for just a moment and have you take a little trip with this man in the underwater craft. Go ahead and move any place that you would like to move. Start to bring your little trip to a close right now and stop your underwater craft. And if you feel like talking, just tell us one or two of the places that you saw.
wonderful albero.
A wonderful
A
tree.
wonderful tree. And coral made. Fatto di corallo.
And something made out of coral.
Coral. And then a big stone. A big stone with a beautiful color.
A beautiful stone.
With one beautiful color.
With one beautiful color. And what color was that?
Violetto chiaro.
Very good. Now, is there anything that you would like to do underwater with this man or with this craft that you have not yet done?
Trovare una caverna.
Okay? You want to find a cavern? Go ahead. I'm sure between the two of you, you can find a cavern. So take your time, and the underwater craft will take you to a cavern.
It's around the violet stone.
All right? We're now talking about the cavern.
No, it's around the violet stone.
The violet stone is round. Okay, so now if we have that settled, we can go off and look for the cavern if you would like.
I can see the beginning.
Good, fine,
I can see the beginning.
yes. And can you go inside of it? Okay, where are you now?
I'm not so far. I'm in the beginning.
All right. Well, I think that our time is about up for this adventure, but I'm going to have you and the man take that underwater craft and don't go too fast, but bring it to the top of the water. Don't bring it too fast or you might become ill. Bring it up very slowly. And once you're on the beach by the light, you can open up the craft and you can get out and stand under the light once more. And let me know when you've been able to do that. So here you and the man are underneath the light. It's as if this man came along to be your guide on this journey and to protect you, to make sure that you would not get injured in any way while you were on this trip. Now, you can stay by that light if you want, and I'd like you to tell me one or two that were especially surprising or remarkable to you?
The feeling going into the water.
Okay, the feeling going into the water.
I enjoy it very much.
All right.
And the stone, the color of the stone.
The color of the stone.
Color.
Mhm.
And the light.
And the light.
The change in the light.
The change in the light. Yes. Can you tell us a little bit more what you mean by the change in the light?
Luce fluttuante.
All right, Polly. In just a moment, you're going to open your eyes. As I said before, you will remember everything that happened. And as I said before, you didn't feel much differently during the experience than you did when you started the experience. But you did mention some interesting things, and we're going to take just a few minutes to discuss that with the members of our group. So, I'm going to repeat those numbers one more time to you. I'll repeat them fairly quickly this time. And by the time I get to one, your eyes will be open, you'll be alert, you'll be feeling fine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here you are out of the water. And how do you feel? What was that?
A little bit sleepy.
A little bit sleepy. Well, just relax for a few minutes, and I think you will wake up fully as we go through some of the discussion. Now, you had many people watching you, but I don't think that bothered you too much. How aware were you of the people in the audience?
Yes. Because I know that there is a group.
Yes, as you know, there's a group here. Do you think that was in any way distracting to you? Was it